Welcome Genetic Teacher Channel. Today, we are talking about multiple sequence alignment for phylogenetic tree. As we showed, any sequence is each amino acid sequence, or nucleic acid sequence. Pairwise alignments, by K-tuple method. To obtain distance scores. Then, guide tree, constructed by neighbor joining method or any method. To get distance scores for progressive alignment for multiple sequence alignment purpose. Therefore, each obtained score must be arranged in correlation fashion, to get similarity matrix, to obtain distance scores, as a guide tree fashion, and alteration possibilities, as multiple alignment fashion, as show inside slide. Finally, this slide show general progressive multiple alignment technique for phylogenetic tree, as we view D. Refer to distance in presented phylogenetic tree, and branch 4. Show in single, as compared to branches 1, 2, 3, and 5. Thanks for your attention. Please like and share our videos, and subscribe Genetic Teacher channel.